Mi gente, we at the People's Barber, oíste? My boy Wizzy. Twins dropping soon, oíste? Be on the lookout. No fuimos.
Yo, Esco about to bless me. Low-key, I haven't gotten a cut since the pandemic, bro.
Yo.
Dead serious.
Wow.
All I did is bald fade the sides and just
balled it all the way up?
Yeah.
So it's the first time you coming back to the barbershop?
I haven't. Yo, Esco, bro, you ready for the night, bro?
No fuimos. We out here being lit already.
Live in Providence, we getting ready right now. This is what we doing. Yes, sir. Damn. First cut since the pandemic.
Type shit. Type shit.
People's Barber got me right.
Money. Cash money, oíste?
Ready
Yes,
for the
sir.
club tonight.
Mi gente, all my artist friends, pull up, Shop Talk, open mic.
Yes, sir.
Right there, last Thursday of every month.
Last
Type
Thursday.
shit.
8 o'clock, right?
Come get a cut and come spit some bars. Oíste?
Actually, send me the flyer for the next one. I'll put it in the video. What's going on, y'all? It's another beautiful night in Boston. We headed out to Providence. We're gonna go to the show. Catch you guys when we get there. Get a couple of sights for you. Performance tonight is gonna be crazy. Lucky number 7, that's who you are. Question, girl, where have you been? She's my twin. Shawty wanna do it again. She wanna go back, she right back on my shirt whenever you up in the crib. You just out of work, you got disturb, we'll talk to your friends. Whenever I enter your city, you would've thought I was at home. Got the area, sending your keys, got me into screen your phone. I don't got time for the back and forth, young girl, like I want you to make. By the time I'm finished here, they gon' mortalize me in my city like tape. Call me when you see me, we gon' give you clearance in the city like Drake. 2617, big stones on my neck, like you're a back. On the surface, you hesitant, trying to get me girl that's evident. Tired of your old nigga, you can send your cousins out, say it's on his dance. Yeah, blue first class, you can meet me in a bureau. Yeah, you a dime piece, but you're hanging out when you're zero. Me and the poster, stay by the coach, we're back in the band. Now you know I am, middle of mommy, back at again. Looking on the 7, that's me, a question, go where have you been? She's my twin, so you wanna do it again. Oh, I am do it, you wanna get us a do true love. No voy a frenar, te toco una amiga, tú eres la que me junto. Te amo si te respeto tú misma, mami, con mi eso es lujo. Si tú ves tu frontera, la dejo como que un brujo. Yo te respeto, yo no soy perfecto y quiero hablarte directo. Yo soy guerrero, aquí guerrero, buscando mover esto. Me fallaron un montón de veces, ahora que mi corazón es hueco. No me cambié quién yo soy, me voy a ganar lo que yo me merezco. Yeah, te llamo después del trabajo, un rolo que yo me levanto. Tu vida y hoy será un pacto. Yeah, con el tiempo buscamos pastor y hacemos reparto. No te preocupes por nada, hombre. Me and the coast, stay by the coast, we're back in the bed. Now you in Miami, middle of mommy, back in again. Lucky on the 7, asking you a question, girl, where you been? She my twin, shawty wanna do it again. Me too, sexy lady, that shit free too. Just met you, I gotta pay attention. You're too fast, you're too strong, you're the best friend. And there's no need in the lesson. Obsessing me, I'm so blessed, yeah. You might know me, you're a blessing. I got that stuff on the radio. I got the fucking pull it on when I'm like, I wish you really can get it, that's it. Anything you don't really know, link. Closer, closer, than that's a break. I worry about it, don't really matter. I'm sorry to say you know what you think. You don't really know why I ain't fake. Tonight you when I'm in the wind. Sorry when I'm in the brand. Everything I'm choking and holding it down. You don't really hold you down. We're talking about actuality. I'm thinking I really need it right now. I don't leave it right up in my hand. I don't think you really understand. I can do it right back in the ground. We're the coast, stay by the coast. We're back in the band. Are you in Miami, middle of mommy, back it again. Looking number 7, asking you a question, girl, where have you been? But she my twin, shawty wanna do it again. I can barely hear in both of my ears, but if you guys saw that footage, y'all know it was a big success, man. Got a couple followers out of it, you know, got to flex a little bit. Not something I do on the regular, but you know, once in a while ain't too bad. If y'all like this one, give it a like, comment down below what y'all think about that duck. That was crazy. And catch y'all on the next one. Be easy. I thought this would be some little, you know, cheap printing, but Amazon, y'all doing your thing. First off, they didn't go with no cheap gilding. They went with the black gilding, black label, you feel me? And then, look at this. The print itself isn't like, it's like actually in the shirt, not on top of the shirt. So you don't have to worry about it peeling off or anything like that. This, good job. Great job. I fully back this. And you know, while you guys are here, support me. Grab one right now. Link in the bio down there. And yeah, go pick yourself up one. Matter of fact, we got different styles. We got one celebrating coast to coast. You know, if you haven't listened to that, go take a listen. That'll be in the bio as well. So, finally got back home. Relax, watch the football, download 2K, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.